Lovely. Well, welcome to another clean-up. It's Christmas clean-up this time. I've got some tinsel precariously wrapped underneath the barrow, and we have some little knitted Santa Clauses for the handles. Slightly Christmassy. It's as much as I could really pull together. We started cleaning the skate park, and I think I'm gonna loop back round and then do Ashwood. See how it goes. As you might be able to tell from here and everything, it's quite windy, so I'm going to get rid of this lot before I go down the dale, otherwise they're just going to blow everywhere, especially with the lorries driving past. So I'm going to get rid of this and then we'll carry on. I'm still not there. I've done a bit of stretch of London Road and now at St Mary's. There's some rubbish in the hedge. Quite a lot of rubbish in the hedge. Wow. Right, we're almost there. We're on the way to Morrison's now. And as always, there's quite a lot of rubbish on the side of this wall, so we'll pick that up along the way. It's, yeah, it's quite a lot today. I don't see many of these about anymore. Now it's going to be a bit confusing because the idea of a Christmas video came to me after I already did another cleaning video. So the one after this, I talk about the bridge over there. They started to clean it up to repair it. Since then, the town team have gone and planted I can't remember what they're called, snowdrops. I think it's snowdrops. The plan to reopen this bridge is a little bit confusing to me. I mean, they're doing a cracky job of clearing this up, and I don't know what the plan is to repair the bridge, what structurally was wrong with it to close it. I genuinely don't remember a day when it was open. So it's been closed a long time. But I would have thought that the bridge in the Pavilion Gardens with the miniature railway going around it would have been a bit of a higher priority. Oh well, at least they're doing something, I suppose. Just a few more bits in the orchard. Someone actually locked this gate, which I didn't even know you could do. There's a latch. It's very stiff. What's that? Cable. Why? Why? Right, I can't put any more in that bin, otherwise I'll fill it. Sylvan time. Boy, I've been getting some weird looks. People look at you like they've seen a ghost. Oh, my nightmare's just happened. Oh no. I've been splattered with pee. Oh, I was trying to get rid of it out of the bottle normally and it just flew everywhere. Oh, it landed on my chin. Oh, this isn't a very Merry Christmas. Ugh. Yeah. Worst possible outcome. Brilliant. Well, definitely having a shower after this. Thanks, lorry drivers. Well, I'm sure it's not the local ones. Unfortunately, I'm going to end up repeating myself about this in the next cleanup episode. Like I mentioned, I recorded it before this one, but in Iceland, very good. I mean, it's overflowing, but better than nothing. Right, we've just done the high street. We're pretty fully loaded. There's two very good buskers, or two groups of buskers, should I say, because there's two of them and one of them, if you know what I meant. Anyway, we shall carry on up the hill towards Marketplace now, and I need a bin to empty all this, so I might do it on the St. Anne's. Little bits here and there on the Marketplace. It's normally pretty clean, but it is very windy, so I'm worried about everything blowing away. And the sun is going down now, so we're almost at the end. Well, I don't really have to worry about my least favourite spot to clean in the Marketplace, because it's closed off now. Actually refurbishing the Betfords, so I don't have to clean that horrible little corner again. He says proceeding to clean out this corner because it's not quite fenced off, and it's actually worse than it's ever been before. Oh well. Got my hopes up. So that's it. I think I've done 3 wheelbarrows, which is alright. Thank you very much for watching. It's very windy. A huge thank you to all my supporters on Ko-fi. Merry Christmas, and until next time, ta-ra. Outside.